That's right everyone, welcome back to D Drive, and today we have the Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC, the 3000cc SUV, which is in a red color. It's a beautiful vehicle to watch. My eyes are already stuck and I want you guys also to stick into this video. So let's start with the backside of this GLE 450. If you start, you can see Mercedes logo is positioned just at the middle, and GLE 450 badging with the 4MATIC, and that's the rear lights. This is absolutely beautiful to look. If you just power trunk, definitely. There's a great space at the rear, and you can get the 7-seater option right over here. Tar niche jodi we go, then there is extra cargo space and you can keep your spare wheel and any other more stuffs over here. This is great to watch, and amra jodi lower portion e jai, there you can see the fake exhaust tips on the both sides and some nickel garnish, and niche there is the exhaust pipe, the actual one. Let's start off with the rear side. Here comes the door paddings, which is really very premium. Everywhere you go, you can see the leather, the stitches and the wooden texture. And one thing that you can adjust the rear seats also, electrically adjustable rear seats. Here is the adjuster and you can see the sound, premium sound system. So let's go. We have the Mercedes-Benz written over here on the 4 steps. So let's go, let's get into the vehicle. You can see something. So we're at the rear of the Mercedes-Benz, and so we have to you can see the cup holders. So this is really great to be in the Mercedes-Benz rear profile seat. This is the second row. We have the third row also behind us, which is folded down. And amar kache personally mone hoy je third row is just for your kids, even not for your maids. They cannot even sit. So it's not that much convenient as an adult to sit over here. You can see the AC controls, the rear air con over here, over there. See just the texture of the seat. This is very premium. You get the leather, extra storage space to keep your belongings, cup holders, and every fit and finish gives you a feel that yeah, we are on something. Let's go, let's move on to the front passenger seats. With the red color of the car, you can see the red light and the Mercedes-Benz written over here, and extra footsteps for better accessibility. That's the side profile of the vehicle, the tinted glasses in the rear, and you can see the chrome touch here and there. We can also see the rim from Mercedes-Benz stock genuine. Those comes in R20 20-inch alloy, and 4 disc brakes. That's the passenger seat. The door is similar with some extra features, like you can see the heated cool over here. You can adjust the seats, and also you have the memory seats. Again, memory seats option tao pacchen, and all other are similar. Just look at the feel. So if we get into, it's a genuine full-size SUV feelings. You cannot see the hood, you're in the very bottom, and like this vehicle gives a very butterfly effect just when you enter the vehicle. A very big display, the center console display over here, and that's the driver speedometer. We will explore the driver's seat where everything is like so much, and here you can see the center console, which is premium stuffs, and so many pads. You can see the touchpad to control the navigation. There is the glove box with sweet leather fabrics, very premium touch. This is completely soft leather, and the wooden texture over here. Premium sound system. Let's go to the front fascia of the vehicle. Here comes the front fascia of this Mercedes GLE 450, which is huge. Firstly, one thing very prominent, the huge circle Mercedes logo emblem just at the middle. Very big grille, which is kinda honeycomb design. It's completely open for air intake, and the lower portion, this part is completely sealed off. There is another Mercedes-Benz logo on the hood, and this hood has some sculptures which is better aerodynamics and also for the driving visibility. Dual projection, and the lights you can see if you just lock the vehicle. Here comes the nickel touch at the lower bumper, and also you can see the parking sensors. Let's go, let's explore the driver's seat. The most awaited moment for us, the driver's seat. Yeah, it comes with the heated seats and also the leather touch over here. And এই জায়গায় দেখতে পাচ্ছেন there is memory seat option and seat adjustment options. Let's go, they're welcoming us in the Mercedes. The car actually got very dirty because আজকে there is a rainy weather and আমরা এটার ভিতরে ড্রাইভ করলাম, তো this is kinda একটু dirty car, so you have to consider it for today. Let's start with the steering wheel, which is typical বাংলাদেশি যে জিডিএম গাড়িগুলো আসে সেগুলোর তুলনায় quite ছোট, but the thickness is quite মোটা, which is better driving pleasure দেয় আপনাকে. And you can see the features. আচ্ছা, more বলার আগে আমরা স্টার্ট করি. Quite visible engine start stop button. We will depress the brake, and so right here you can see the ambient light red color, which is changeable. আপনি আপনার প্রেফারেন্স অনুযায়ী সেট করতে পারবেন. The infotainment, we are on the on. We can go to the navigation. We can connect the phone. We are on the comfort. So we can adjust the settings as needed, as we touch response is very good, buttery smooth, no lag, and yeah, hang করে না এটা. Land Rover একটা ইস্যু আছে যেটা ল্যাগ করে প্লাস হ্যাং করে, দেন অনেকগুলো টাকা খরচ হয়ে যায় এটার পিছে, বাট এরকম কোনো প্রবলেম এটাতে নাই ইস্যু. That's the speedometer, completely digital. We can see the heads-up display, which is quite big. মানে অনেক বড় and here you can see the four air, you can see the cup holders যেখানে অনেক কিছু রাখা. You can also close it. Wooden texture. এইখানটাতেও ambient lighter একটা texture আছে which is like red. You can open the glove box, extra storage space. এই তো, and that's the place to control from here also. You can change the theme and all other features also. Volume up and down করা যাবে, media control করা যাবে. So many things to be done. যেটা বলছিলাম স্টিয়ারিং হুইলের ব্যাপারে, so this is quite small in size এগুলার তুলনায়. Yeah, that's it. That's about the Mercedes GLE 430. No Mercedes, thank you.
What can I do for you?
Thank you, Mercedes. So that's it. Cholen, let's drive this beautiful SUV in the roads on the rainy days. It will be great.
Could you repeat your input, please?